What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Dancing with a Stranger by Sam Smith. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm really excited to finally announce that I'm officially doing the first round of giveaways that I'm doing for the channel. I'm going to be doing monthly drawings for different guitar related prizes and accessories and merchandise, and then I'm going to do one grand prize drawing for someone who's going to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. So stick around to the end of the video. It's very simple to enter. I'll get into all the details there. Any of you guys can enter to win any of the prizes. We'll get into all that at the end of the video, so stick around for that. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning. You're going capo on your first fret. You're only using 4 chords in this song. Your first one is a C. It's going to be ring finger, 3rd fret, A string, middle finger, 2nd fret, D string, index finger, 1st fret, B string. Your second chord is going to be a D. You can play it 2 ways. The way that I play it is I take that exact same C formation and I move it down the neck 2 frets. That puts my ring finger on the 5th fret on my A string, my middle finger on the 4th fret of my D string, and my index finger on the 3rd fret of my B string. You can also play the D the traditional way. I think it sounds cooler here. Totally up to you guys. Your 3rd chord is going to be E minor. That's your middle finger, 2nd fret, A string, and your ring finger, 2nd fret, D string. And then your final chord is a G. Leave your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, move your ring finger to the 3rd fret of your low E string, and then put your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. Now there's no real guitar part in this song. What I do is I do a simple palm mute pattern during the verses and then I strum during the chorus. The palm mute pattern is just a simple 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you're starting out on your C chord. You're staying there for your first set of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on the 1 and 2 and of the next set. And then you're switching to your D for the 3 and 4 and. I'll show you slowly what that looks like. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And then your last 2 chords are both just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and for both. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So from the top that looks like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'll show you the strumming pattern that I use for the chorus. Again, you can strum throughout the entire song, you can palm mute throughout the entire song, it's totally up to you guys. The strumming pattern that I use through the chorus looks like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, switch. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So your first set is just down, down, up on your C. Down, down, up, down, up. And then you're staying on your C for a down, down, up. Switch to your D for a down, down, up. And then your last 2 chords are the same as your down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So what that looks like slowly is here. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now I'm going to jump straight into the giveaway stuff. Again, to reiterate, I'm starting the official giveaways that I'm doing for this channel, with the grand prize being a brand new acoustic guitar, with secondary prizes being a guitar accessories kit. And then also I'm going to be giving away some merchandise as well. I'm starting to roll some of that out here soon. Shirts, hats, all that kind of stuff. Those will be parts of the giveaway as well. So to enter for the giveaway, there's only 4 simple steps that you need to do. Subscribe, turn on notifications, notifications. Make sure you click thumbs up, like this video, and then leave a comment in the comment section below with a song that you would like me to teach you. So the way the giveaway is going to work is that each month I'm going to pick 2 winners, one for the guitar accessories bundle and one for the merch bundle, and then I'll pick the grand prize winner for the brand new acoustic guitar when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers. So the faster that we get to 50,000 subscribers, the faster we will get to the grand prize drawing. So make sure you enter. You're not going to want to miss out on any of these prizes. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is here on the screen now. I'm always posting stories, behind the scenes stuff, pictures. It's a good way to get in contact with me. Don't forget about the free ebook that's in the description. It will always be free on the channel. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. There's a link down there for you guys. Make sure you go grab that. Enter the contest. I'm super excited to be doing this for you guys. We'll see you in the next video.